Hello, and welcome to this DAV tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to participate in the DAV token sale safely and effectively. Please only follow the tutorial available at the official DAV website at dav.network. When you arrive at the DAV homepage, please click Join Token Sale to begin the contribution process. Please enter your whitelisted email address and press Start to proceed. If you've completed your KYC application but have not yet been approved, you'll see the reason why here after entering your email. If you have not yet completed our KYC, you will be sent to our KYC application directly. Please enter your DAV token owner details below. If you will be the owner of the DAV tokens, make sure the top button is clicked to proceed to the contribution page. Only click the button below if you will not be the owner of the DAV tokens, as you will then have to fill out additional information. Please read and confirm the following by checking off both boxes and then click Purchase DAV Tokens. On the screen, we have the official DAV smart contract address. For this video, we've blurred out the address for security purposes. Please review all the material on this page. As a reminder, you may contribute anywhere from 0.2 Ether to 150 Ether, regardless of your original intended contribution amount. For every 1 Ether you contribute, you will receive 10,000 DAV tokens. Please copy the official DAV smart contract address to your clipboard. Make sure you use the correct smart contract address, otherwise your Ether will be lost and cannot be retrieved by anyone. This is very important. Once you have copied the address to your clipboard, please go to your wallet to begin the transaction. In this video, we'll be using the MyEther wallet interface as an example, but the same principles apply to all Ethereum wallets. In the To Address bar, please paste the official DAV smart contract address. Again, please make sure you use the correct smart contract address, otherwise your Ether will be lost and cannot be retrieved by anyone. Please input the number of Ether you'd like to contribute. We will use 100 Ether as an example. We encourage you to set a gas limit of 300,000 and gas price suggested by your wallet. To prevent gas wars, we have set a maximum gas price of 50 Gwei. If you try to send a transaction with a higher gas price, it will be rejected. Please note that these steps may vary depending on what wallet you're using to contribute. Once you've completed these steps, please click Generate Transaction. Then click Send Transaction. Lastly, by clicking Yes, I am sure, Make Transaction, you will send your Ether contribution to the official DAV smart contract address, and you will receive your DAV tokens shortly. Thank you for contributing and have a wonderful day.